Organisms have a much more complex relation to the environment. For example, they construct their environment in major parts. So niche construction is one of the terms of these new discussions, but that's also just one term that is important. The relation, although also for evolutionary biology, is much more complex, and this also is part of really a revolution of thinking about evolution. Reproduction and death. This is again an interesting topic, and I can only briefly suggest that death processes are part of life itself. Death is not the opposite of life, but rather part of it. Go back to a word from Goethe, who knew this, and he said, "Nature's spectacle is always new, because she always creates a new audience. Life is her most beautiful invention, and death is her artifice to have abundant life." Der Tod ist der Trick der Natur, viel Leben zu haben.